Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, to put this around here, and basically what this is a stainless steel frying pan. They can definitely use like a skillet as well. So the one that we got here is from this brand right here, and it is a 10-inch pan. And this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when we actually take out from the package, you can definitely see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So there's basically a box inside a box, and they mention how the 10-inch skillet, and this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. And we see it from this brand right here. If you haven't seen the back of this package right here, they tell you guys some of the specs that's on here. So they mention how this is a 10-inch skillet, and they mention how it's a flat bottom pan that has sloped side. That's perfect for like searing, sauteing, and other tasks that requires you guys to move it a lot. So maybe if you guys need to move the pan forward and backwards, or if you guys need to flip it, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And the cool thing about this pan or skillet right here is the fact that the heat actually spreads out evenly throughout the pan and not just hot at like one area. So you see right here, they mention how it's a 5-ply hybrid construction. So it has a stainless steel layer and it has an aluminum alloy core. And right underneath that is another layer of stainless steel on the product. So not only does the heat actually spread out evenly, but it also has heat retention as well. And bottom right here, they mention how you can actually use it on gas stovetop, induction cooktop, electric stovetop, and you can also use it in like dishwasher or the oven as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, when you guys open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so you can see that once we take out the product, this is basically what the product looks like. So they definitely have a protection right here on the hand option, and the actual product is all nicely wrapped. Let's remove everything on here first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So here's what it actually looks like on top. Here's what it looks like on the side, and here's what it looks like on the bottom part. So you can see they do have the logo right here in the bottom. And you see the top part right here, they do have a little hole option. So if you guys want to hang it onto the wall or something, you definitely can. And when you guys feel the actual pan, it definitely feels pretty heavy. It definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel material. Like when you guys hit it, it definitely sounds like a high quality material, and also the inside as well. And you see on the side right here, the way how they actually constructed together actually looks very nice. It definitely looks very high quality as well. And also the way how they actually designed this part right here, when this part actually heats up, this part will not heat up. This part will actually stay cool while this part actually heats up, which is pretty awesome. So I can totally see how this is perfect for people who cook a lot, if you guys saute a lot, or if you guys are searing stuff, or even if you guys cook a lot where it's go like this, or if you guys need flip stuff, you can definitely use this in all those situations. And for this product, they actually have in many different sizes. The one that we got right here, like I mentioned, it is 10-inch. But they do have this in like 8-inch, 12-inch, and the list goes on. But definitely right off the bat, when we actually open the product, it definitely feels and looks like a high quality product. But this is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to the countertop and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we're tested out. Alright, so the oil is ready. Let's add the stuff in. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. So we'll continue cooking this and then show you guys what it actually looks like once we're done. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what the final product looks like. You can see how easy it is to actually use it. So if you guys want to saute stuff or sear stuff, you definitely can. If you guys are professional enough, you can definitely flip it around when you guys are cooking steak as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see that actually does work and it's quite well. So whether you guys want to use it for like cooking stuff, sauteing, if you guys want to use it for searing, you can definitely use this however you guys want to. But one thing to remember is that when you guys use this part right here, it's not like those non-stick pans. If you do want like non-stick pans, they do have some available. This one's actually meant for like sauteing or like searing stuff or whatever. So if you guys are planning to use this to cook stuff where actually will probably stick, you probably don't want to get one of these. You probably want to get one of those non-stick pans. But when you see from the actual test, it definitely does work and actually works really, really well. Obviously, like I mentioned earlier, if it's your first time using a product, you definitely want to wash everything with like warm water and soap before you guys use it to make sure it's clean and everything. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality stainless steel pan to use for cooking, such as like searing or like even sauteing stuff. And especially if you guys are in a restaurant, if you guys cook a lot of like steak or whatever, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.